First, open the YouTube video you would like to embed on your website. Under Share, copy the URL from this field. Now, log into your WordPress dashboard and open the post or page where you want to add the video. Next, click on the plus button to add a block. Search for YouTube and select the YouTube block. In the block settings, paste the URL of the YouTube video you copied earlier. WordPress will automatically fetch and display the video. You can adjust the video dimensions and alignment if needed. And that's it. You've successfully embedded a YouTube video in your WordPress post or page.